Painting nails has become a form of art recently, as it's both aesthetically pleasing and gives you a vibrant feeling every day. At-home manicure is quite easy to do, but applying regular nail polish on your nails make your nails vulnerable and they are chipped easily. Dip powder nail kits come to your rescue, saving your nails from UV lights and making them healthy looking and chip-free. Here we present 5's best nail dipping powder kits which will add extra glam in your everyday look. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Worried about buying extra nail equipment for your nails? Don't worry! Azer Beauty's got you covered. The Azer Beauty Nail Dip Powder Starter Kit comes with essential nail tools all in one place to make your nails exotic and salon-ready anytime, anywhere. It is easy to use, long-lasting and made with healthy natural formula, making it the best choice for your nails. The kit comes with 4 jars of color powders, 5 jars of gel, nail file, nail polisher, nail brush, cuticle oil, and wooden stick. It doesn't need a UV light to cure and feels and looks natural on your nails. It's lightweight and has impeccable shine. It has a long-lasting system which makes the product alluring to the users. The kit is also vegan-friendly. The kit has gained popularity over time and received many reviews and ratings. According to the reviews, the colors are great and the product is user-friendly as it is very easy to apply. But besides the positive feedbacks, some users complain that the base coat takes too long to dry and dipping results may often come out chunky. It's time to rate this nail dipping powder kit. If you are a beginner and want to create some exotic nails on your own, then this product is perfectly made for you. The Nicole Diary Dipping Nail Powder Kit gives you the assurance of high-quality nail dip powders, which are very easy to use. It doesn't require UV or LED lamps, as it can dry without it, and it can last up to 2 to 3 weeks. This dipping powder is perfect for beginners. It is more durable than acrylic and resistant to chipping and cracking, breathable, water-resistant, and doesn't damage the nail beds. The kit is finely packed with 5 bottles of Nicole Diary Dipping Nail Powder System, liquid, bond, base, activator, top and brush saver, and 5 boxes acrylic dip nail powders of 5 different colors. The Nicole Diary Dipping Nail Powder Kit has earned many reviews and ratings from users around the world. According to the reviews, this dipping powder is long-lasting and very easy to use. But some users criticize the product for being inadequate in amount and not being pigmented enough. It's time to rate this nail dipping powder kit. If you want long-lasting, durable nail paint on your nails, then this might just be the right product for you. The Tipwell Dip Nail Starter Kit promises to keep your nails good-looking for up to 3 to 6 weeks, that too without chipping them. It adds length, protection, and shine without ruining your natural nail bed. This dip powder feels and looks natural. It's lightweight and has impeccable shine. It is fortified with calcium and tough against daily wear and tear compared to traditional nail polishes. Dipwell nails can be removed in just 15 minutes as the kit is especially formulated for quick removal. UV or LED lights are not required. That gives you the assurance of healthy-looking nails. This kit is also vegan-friendly. The kit comes with bond, base coat, activator, sealer, brush softener, base and finish essential dipping powder, French white dipping powder, sheer pink dipping powder, 100-180 grit file, fine 240 grit buffer, and a wooden cuticle pusher. The Dipwell Dip Nail Starter Kit is easy to use and remove, and it has earned many ratings and reviews from users. According to the reviews, users have found this product to be long-lasting and very easy to use. Although some users complained that the white one didn't come out as bright as they expected. It's time to rate this nail dipping powder kit. Marked as one of the most recognized nail product brands, the Kiara Sky Dipping Powder Essentials Kit offers you a great range of nail dip powders, perfectly suitable for your nails. It is natural, lightweighted, and professionally formulated without harsh chemicals, and contains complex bonds that keep it from chipping and discoloration. This professional nail kit comes with everything you need for creative dip designs and beautiful full coverage in less time than traditional acrylic application. The kit includes bond, base coat, seal protect, top coat, nourish oil, brush saver, natural powder, clear powder, signature color powders, and KS recycle system. If you want to get professional salon-style nails sitting at home, Kiara Sky Nail Dip Powder is the perfect option for you. The colors are quite soothing, giving you natural-looking nails anytime you want. The Kiara Sky Dipping Powders Essentials Kit has earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from users. It is available on Amazon as well. According to the reviews from users, this nail kit is perfect for both shiny and matte looks. Users have highly praised the formula and expressed their satisfaction after using the product. But some users from Amazon complained of facing problems with the packaging of the product. It's time to rate this nail dipping powder kit. If you want to get salon-like nails just at home, Latorice Dipping Powder Nail Kit is the best product for you. Latorice Dipping Powder Nail Kit is made with healthy and natural formula, containing vitamin E and calcium to help your nails grow stronger and healthier. It doesn't require any UV light to cure the nails, which prevents your nails from getting damaged. This dip powder formula is much thinner, so it doesn't feel like you have anything on your nails. It is easy to apply, making it suitable for all kinds of nails. It also takes about 30% less time to apply than acrylic nail polishes, which makes it ideal for both professional salons and beginners. The Nail Dip Powder Kit includes a bottle of base coat, activator, top coat, 5-color series powder, and user manual. The Latorice Dipping Powder Nail Starter Kit is one of the most reviewed nail dip powder kits, and it has earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from users. It is also available on Amazon. According to the reviews, this dipping powder is very easy to apply and keeps your nails damage-free. But besides all the positive feedbacks, some users found the pigmentation not up to the mark. It's time to rate this nail dipping powder kit. So these are our top picks nail dipping powder kits. If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.